Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log in to Rummy Circle. Logging in and signing into Rummy Circle is a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice. Inside the URL box, type in rummycircle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official website where you will need to log in by entering your sign-in credentials in the text box on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and enter your phone number associated with Rummy Circle. After you are done, click on Get Started. Enter the OTP that has been sent on your mobile device that you just entered and click on Verify. Soon after you verify your phone number, you will then be able to log into your Rummy Circle account and start playing. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.